Happy 21st birthday, our daughter, our beautiful girl, Nokutenda Natalie Kuzangera. We still remember the day you came into this world, on the 16th of October at SASU Medical Centre in Mutare. What a joyful day that was, pure happiness. You brought so much added joy into our family that day. You were tiny, perfect, and so loved from the very first moment. Happy 21st birthday, our beautiful girl. Our Miss NokuNat, the most adventurous in the family. You've grown into such a beautiful young lady. We are so proud of you. You make us laugh, you make us proud. You're the comedian of the family and our shining light. You've always been hardworking, free-spirited, and kind. So much NokuNat. Happy 21st birthday.